Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing Sony's latest flagship smartphone, the Xperia 1 IV. The Xperia 1 IV was released on June 11, 2022, and comes packed with a host of features that make it a worthy contender in the highly competitive smartphone market. Design and display. The Xperia 1 IV features a sleek design that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. The phone measures 165 by 71 by 8.2 mm, 50 by 2, 80 by 0.32 in, and weighs 185 grams, making it easy to hold and carry. The phone's front and back are made of Gorilla Glass Victus, and it has an aluminum frame that adds to its durability. The phone is available in black, violet, and white color options. The Xperia 1 IV has a 6.5-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1644 by 3840 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is HDR-BT.2020 certified, making it ideal for streaming HDR content. The phone's display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus and has an aspect ratio of 21:9, which is perfect for watching movies and videos. Camera. The Xperia 1 IV comes with a triple camera setup that includes a 12-megapixels wide lens, a 12-megapixels telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixels ultra-wide lens. The phone also has a 0.3-megapixels TOF 3D camera that is used for depth sensing. The camera system is developed in collaboration with Zeiss and features Zeiss optics and a Zeiss T** lens coating, ensuring that your pictures come out sharp and clear. The camera system also features eye tracking, which is a great feature for portrait photography. The phone's camera can shoot 4K videos at 24/25, 30, 60/120 fps with HDR and 1080p videos at 30/60, 120 fps with 5-axis gyro EIS and OIS. Performance. The Xperia 1 IV is powered by a Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 4nm chipset and an octa-core processor that includes. The phone has Adreno 730 GPU and comes with 12 GB of RAM and either 256 GB or 512 GB of internal storage. The phone runs on Android 12 and is upgradable to Android 13. The phone has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, barometer, compass, and color spectrum sensors. It also has native Sony Alpha camera support, which is great news for photographers. Battery and connectivity. The Xperia 1 IV has a 5000 mAh non-removable battery that supports 30W wired charging and wireless charging. The phone also supports reverse wireless charging. The phone comes with Wi-Fi 802.11a, b per gram, n, AC, 6E, dual-band or tri-band, region-dependent, Wi-Fi Direct, DLNA, Bluetooth. Conclusion. The Sony Xperia 1 IV is a powerful and feature-packed smartphone that offers a great camera system, a beautiful display, and excellent performance. With its premium design and features, the Xperia 1 IV is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-end smartphone. Thank